We've arrived. We're in the room. Had to queue a bit to check in. But yeah, the room is really nice. Last time we came to the Wynn and stayed here, we got 2 double beds. This time we got a king. It's massive. What do you mean, unfortunately? So that's the bed. We got TV, snacks and stuff, table, desk, sofa. Aaron, buy a fridge. That's our view. So that's the strip going down that way, and obviously up that way. The fashion show mall. That's the light show that they do. Yeah, good view. It's gonna be nice in here. So yeah, it's got a closet, some robes, the safe. Here's the bathroom. Oh, that body wash, shampoo and conditioner is the nicest smelling thing. That's the bath. Hello!
Do I take walking shoes?
No. We're literally walking. You can see where we're walking to from here. We're going from here to all you can see is my reflection to there. We're going to CVS.
Konnichiwa, watashi wa Aaron desu. Las Vegas ni ikimasu. Hi.
What are we doing now?
We're going to the shop.
Why?
Because I want drinks. Like Mountain Dew and Gatorade.
We're gonna fill that up.
Honey, honey, honey. Let's go. Ikimasho.
Where are the snacks? Where are the snacks? Snacks. Find the snacks. Find the snack. Oh, jerky. I like me some beef jerky.
Very kind.
No problem.
I'm getting that. I can't find a beef jerky that doesn't contain gluten. I found one. This one contains gluten-free soy sauce. Oh. What are you getting? Shelled, already shelled pistachios. Are they salty? Sweeties. If I go now. You're diabetic. You shouldn't be in this aisle. Reese's Pieces. Yes. They look really good. Huh?
Hong Kong grapes.
Oh yeah, these. It's probably an American brand. Aaron's picked up his Diet Mountain Dew. Diet Mountain Dew. So much coffee. What was that? Look at you being good. They got cherry flavoured stuff, but Aaron's more interested in nips. I need to pick drinks. Do they not have big bottles of drink for the room? We need chips.
And it's blue.
Does that mean you're getting it? What did you do?
I didn't touch him.
Got loads of fresh stuff. We could just get food from here one day. Oh look, it's sushi. Kind of sushi. Fritos. Absolute fave. Fritos are my favourite thing ever. And then crunchy Cheetos, they must have them. What?
Do you think this is enough? Oh, we need big bottles of drink.
We have to get it back in my bag. Past the security. Oh, we should get water.
No, because we can buy it for $1 before we go there.
That's true. Well, how much are they here? Yeah, okay. The big bottles are $2. But the small bottles are still over $1. Where are the big bottles of drink? There's beers over there. Do you want beers for the room?
That's a big bottle of wine.
Yes, it is. There's Diet Dr. Pepper. That's well cheap. It's about what we'd pay for one 500ml bottle at home.
Yeah, get the big bottles of wine.
There's that, yeah. Is that enough now?
Yeah, it's very heavy, so...
We pay? What?
I don't think we're not going to get away from it.
What? Yeah, I think they're gonna know we're taking stuff in.
We'll just have like a...
Just hide it. Put it under your shirt, pretend you're pregnant. Pretend you're pregnant. Now we need to go back up there.
Aged vanilla. That certainly tastes aged.
You bought a drink that was aged vanilla. What does that even mean?
I don't know. It's not bad.
So, because of the jet lag, I'm just having some black coffee. We're stocking up that fridge. We've got our snacks. We need to hide them somewhere so that the cleaners don't see them and tell us off. But the sun's starting to set a little, I suppose. It's a good little trip. Achieved what we wanted to achieve. Now we're hitting the casino.
Yeah.
Let's do it.